Save at ApplianceFactory.com. Click the link to learn more.
Hi Colorado, this is Clete Crocker. I'm here at Appliance Factory, Mattress Kingdom today. I have another Ask the Expert question for you, and today's question is how to make a refrigerator quieter. So let me do a little explanation on here. If we look at the older refrigeration, now I've been doing appliances for 30 years now, and I can tell you that the older refrigerators, they were quieter than the refrigerators are today. And that probably includes every single one that's brand new today versus every old one that was older. And that's because in the old days, the compressor used to completely turn off. And that's just the way it did it. If the refrigerator needed some more coldness, the compressor would kick on. And that's the only time you'd hear your refrigerator, unless the ice was dropping inside. And then when it got the temperature it needed, it would shut right back off. So what's happened today? Well, Energy Star is what's happened. These compressors that run the refrigerators are much more energy efficient. You know, my joke is if you unplug your old refrigerator to replace it with a new one, you'll see all the lights in the street at night get a little brighter because you unplugged that old energy consuming thing. Well, one of the ways they made it energy consuming is they don't use peak power in compressors anymore. So they don't ever have to ramp up like they did when they were turned off all the way and then turned back on again. Now they leave them on at a little lower level, but because they're on all the time, they make a little bit more noise that you probably won't be used to. So how do you fix that? Well, you can't do anything to the refrigerator to make it quieter. But what we found over the years is that a lot of the noise coming from the compressor is actually echoing on the floor and up into the room. So that's where the noise is coming from. So what do you do about it? It's simple. Just get you a mat and put underneath it something that's softer that will absorb the sound instead of letting it bounce all over the room. That's your trick for the day on Ask the Expert.
Buying a major home appliance is an important decision and a big purchase. It's important to know before you go. Make sure you visit www.bigboxappliancereviews.com.
Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom, 5-star rated, over 5,000 reviews. Guaranteed we beat Home Depot and Lowe's. The nation's largest discount appliance dealer, over 24 stores in 3 states. Visit us at ApplianceFactory.com.